How to create a website with HubSpot free AI content writer. You can see right here that I have already signed up to the HubSpot free AI. So this link is actually app.hubspot.com. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this dashboard for your left sidebar. Now just hover to the content, and here you can see this website page. Head over and click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to get help from AI in order to create your website. So in here, this will show you this, so you can get started with AI right here. Click on this Get Started with AI in order to integrate the free AI content writer. Now this will ask you, the content writer will ask you to use the description, the language that you will put, and this verses you will put will describe your business to a friend. So for example, this business will be a clothing business. I have put in here a description. It's gonna be a clothing business that is all-inclusive to every body shape. Now head over and click on next right here. Now the HubSpot will use this description to customize the content on our website. And then in here, it will ask for the goals. So for example, for this, let's click on the sell products and then click on next. Then it will ask you for a style that you want to use for your website. For example, for this case, let's head over and choose this fresh right here. Now you should be able to see what it looks like. Head over and click on this finish right here, and as you can see, this will build the layout for your actual website created by the HubSpot AI. So you don't need to add some elements anymore. You need to tweak it yourself because it already had over and then created an actual website customized for you. Now in here, you should be able to see what it looks like right now. So here's my business name. And then you can see right here the fashion for every body shape. So this is actually what we have inputted in the description. Then you can see in here discover inclusive clothing for all. And then it will also put in here why we stand out. So I actually just put a 1-sentence description, and it already put in here our goals, which is inclusive fashion, quality and style, and exceptional customer service. If there are some contents that the content writer AI is not sufficient for you, you can actually just click on that and then edit it out yourself. You can change out the font. In here, you can add your products. You can change out some things that you want from in here. But once you have head over and satisfied with everything, just click on this publish button right here in order to publish the website that you have just created. So that's how you create a website with HubSpot free AI content writer. Hope we helped.